Good morning to everyone.
We are delighted to have you here for the Tarang presentation and felicitation program.
First and foremost, I would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ravi Rangan, sir. We welcome you, sir. Over the past few weeks, we have been immersed in some of the most exciting and interesting activities, from creative brainstorming to hands-on problem solving.
Now I request the presenting groups to assemble in front of the mini auditorium.
Let the presentations begin.
Is it working?
Yes, sir. It will.
So, how it works?
Like it will not work now.
It overflow, light overflow. You have to make it working.
Citric acid.
Citric acid, then it will work. Okay.
Many of the times when we keep it in citric acid, it will glow brighter. Like citric acid, baking soda, and salt water is like the production of energy to this battery.
Current means the flow of charges, usually through like electrons. Those are conductors.
In addition, the colors are red, blue, and green. These are primary colors.
After mixing it, what colors do we get?
We get red plus blue magenta, and blue plus green yellow, and red plus green is cyan.
DIY battery activity for we use activity. First one is filter paper, copper strip, magnesium, and LEDs. We use only red LED and iron nail and citric acid.
We were supposed to do another activity under magnetic pen stand. The activity name is rotation of a pen. The process to make. First, we should take the colored paper and cut the lines given on them and attach it to the pen and keep it under the magnetic stand and observe what you obtain from it. Now I would like to call upon Tanviraj to conclude this activity.
When we blow the hair, automatically the rotation will be increases.
Scamper is all about creativity. It means S for substitute, C for combine, A for add, M for modify, P for put to another use, E for eliminate, R for rearrange.
These are the ways in which we can think creatively, or just to change the model to make it better work.
We may see some of the laborers working in our campuses. They forgot to get their spare tools. In that time, they uses the coconut shells to remove the mud from the holes and that all. That is also good example of creativity.
In our model, we substituted the newspaper with foam piece and cloth piece to make it better, and we got the better result also.
This is the model of like magnetic pen stand. Here, like this is the south pole, this is the north pole of the magnet and the south pole of the magnet. It attracts, but when we keep in some distance, it level it.
Turn this by our manpower. The coil inside will turn and the magnets will produce electricity, and the wires are connected to the coil which generates electricity.
ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿತಿದೆ, ನಾನೇನು ಕಾರ್ಕರ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ, ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನನಗೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿತಿದೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅಂಟಿಸೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕಪ್ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಕಪ್ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ,
ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಬೋಗು ಮನೀಶ್. ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ, ನೀರು ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಬೋಗು ಮೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ.
ಇನ್ನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಬದಲು ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಂಜನ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಣ?
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Steps for making. Take big bottle and cut 1/4 part of it.
The air is an insulator and the heat is the copper will be an conductor, so they cannot move anyway.
Now next category is best note takers. Remember guys, best journals, best the people who really reflected well after the class and noted down in their notebooks. Okay, so I would like to call upon Hamsini L, Ulekha L, Darshan Gowda, Meghna M, Bhavna S. Okay, so these are the students from section A.
So,
go that side.
And your name? Okay, congrats. Good. Congratulations. Okay. Alright, one more your friend.
There, sir. Darshan is there. Can we have a clapping, guys?
Okay.
From section B, same category, I would like to call Alekha and Nivedita, Tejasri, Roshni and Manvita. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, come.
Thank you.
Yes.
Next category for this awards are best participation. For that, I would like to call upon from section A, Darshan Gowda, Manotej Desai, Ulekha L, Mayur R, Advika Neha. Very good. Very good. From section B, Samarth, Hemant Reddy, Alekha L, Manvita DA, Vismita GM. Clapping, guys. Very good. Next set of award category is peer support. So I would like to call upon Mayur R and Manjunath SA, Monisha P, Likhita and Kusala.
Congrats.
Claps, guys. Very good. Very good. From section B, Monisha P, Chetan, Pavan Putra, Tejasri BM, Charita. Can we have a clapping, guys?
Ravi sir and Ranjan sir, Madhukar sir and Madam Divya for assisting our children, training our children.
And I wish the best in your life all the time. Thank you.
For the next few weeks, you're going to do projects which you'd like to, design, do it yourself kind of a thing. So, it'll be very nice to have you participate more, and hopefully we'll see a lot more interesting stuff happening in the next few weeks.